So today we are doing a 11 kV marine cable joint in Pauanui in the middle of the harbour here. It is a beautiful day. So this cable is running from the Tairua substation. This is one of 3 supplies consisting of 2 marine cables and 1 overhead line. So last year the cable got damaged. We did a temporary repair on it, but now we're doing the marine grade joint. We need to do the work on it now because it's off season and the load's down in Pauanui. A lot of the homes here are holiday homes. I'm usually doing cable jointing out on land. As you can see, that this is not a normal day-to-day job. Some of the challenges here are you need to pick your weather right, pick the tides, and don't get seasick.
I am a project manager for the Downer Power team in Tauranga, and I just basically coordinate the guys, the resources, the subcontractors, everything from start to finish to get the job completed by a certain date. On a project like this, the work begins with a training day. The second stage of this project, once the training day is completed, Bay Underwater come out and dredge up the cable for us. Once the cable is on the barge, it's now up to Downer to do the jointing work. We will do the jointing work in-house now that we have our staff fully trained. Once we complete the first joint, it's then up to Bay Underwater to slowly let the cable back down into the water until we get to the Pauanui side of the stage where we'll complete our second joint.
Now this is a really exciting job for Downer. It's exciting because we don't often do this type of cable joint repair. We would normally get in a subcontractor, but we've invested in our staff over the years and we've been able to get them to the level now where the guys have completed level 4 training to do cable jointing, but also the next level up, which is marine cable jointing. And so as we recruit more, whether internally or externally, we really want to attract more females into the industry. It's a male-dominated industry. I believe that the mix with females and males in our team is a good thing, and just creating those pathways forwards, and it's exciting all around for the future for Downer.